Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch your video clips or your screenshots on your PlayStation 5. So if you save something, what we could do is press the share button on our controller right here, and then open up this menu. Then we can go on over to the video clip icon right here and select it. And we can watch this in real time. So the latest one that we saved, we can fast forward through it. We can share it. We can edit it. We can like it, or we can delete it right here. Or we can press R1 and we can rotate through 15 different recent clips on the top. Now if we go back, we can go to the media gallery, and this will be where all our clips are saved. So we can even go to sort and filter and go by new to old, typically what I leave mine at. Otherwise we can go by like favorites on the top. We can go by trophies, albums. We can pick the specific game. So it looks like I have 88 gigabytes of Call of Duty, 5 gigabytes of Fortnite. Now another way that we can find this is on the home screen here. If we used it recently, it should stay on the home screen here. We can just press options on it and we can check mark keep in home. But it should be under the game library. Under installed, we should be able to find the media gallery right here. So that's two different ways that you can start watching your clips on your PlayStation 5. All you have to do now is select the clip. So here's one of the clips of me playing Fortnite, and I shotgunned that guy for the victory royale. But then when you get to the media gallery, there will be more options, so we can share it, favorite it, edit, delete it. We can upload it to the PlayStation app so we can view it on our phone, copy to USB storage device, or we can edit in Share Factory, which is a video editor on the PlayStation, which is actually really good. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.